here in Leeds today with Graitec, one of our platinum partners, running one of our digital transformation workshops for customers in the design and manufacturing space. It's been a great day so far. It's been high levels of interaction as always. The customers are really getting engaged in the discussions and we're just generating lots of insights. We've shared quite a few examples with these customers of how they could really increase their capability in one of the 5 digital superpowers. And I guess the day is really all about recognizing that our customers know they need to digitize and apply digital, but helping them find the right place to start.
Attending today, it's an eye-opener. This is not my first time attending these sorts of sessions. It's more for my colleagues to actually open their eyes to what Autodesk and Graitec actually do in terms of putting not just software, but the packages behind the software in terms of the support network in place. It's about getting people to buy into where the vision is, having a good, clear strategy and seeing the benefits. Being a British manufacturer, it's about cost. If you can get your costs down, you can get your efficiency up, that's where the technology steps in.
We've had a really good day. I mean, it's been really good to hear from the customers, their feedback saying it's been very powerful, insightful, informative. So from a Graitec perspective, it's really given us what we need to work more with these customers and continue on their journey.
If someone was considering attending a session like this, come with an open mind, understand where Autodesk and Graitec can take you, and at the same time, take on board something. If you take away one thing from the session, you're starting the journey, you're on that path. And it is having that clear vision more than anything else.
We're looking forward to doing more of these with Graitec. And if you want to attend one of these digital transformation workshops and you're a Graitec customer, please get in touch with them.